Hi guys, welcome to Run Deals. Today I'm going to be reviewing this fence mount that I got. It's a great product if you want to record something and you don't have anywhere to attach your phone. You can use this bungee cords to attach to a fence, to a tree, anything that you can put these clips on. They're really great. They're not going to break. It's not just hooks. It actually like clips on and closes, so it's really well made. Then it has this piece right here that you can move any position that you want. It has this piece that you could put this way or this way, so you can put the phone or a GoPro, anything that you can attach to this, you can use it for that. It's a great product. I love it. If I need to record some special moments like games or anything, or if the kids are outside and you want hands-free recording, this is perfect. I love it. It's, like I said, strong. It's not gonna fall. As you can see, like, you can even pull these cords even more to make it nice and tighter if you want. Lots of things. Again, I love this. I highly recommend it. It works amazing, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.